If your browser has stopped working, frozen, or keeps closing immediately after launch, don't worry, we're going to get it back up and running. First, let's perform a hard reset on the processes. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open your task manager. Look for any instances of Microsoft Edge, right-click them and select End Task. Sometimes a ghost process stays open in the background and prevents a fresh start. Now let's try the most effective fix: the built-in repair. Press Windows I to open Settings, then go to Apps and find Installed Apps. Scroll down to Microsoft Edge, click the three dots and select Modify. You will see a prompt to repair. This is better than a standard reinstall because it downloads a fresh copy of the browser while keeping your favorites and history safe. Let that run. It usually takes about a minute depending on your internet speed. If it still won't open, we need to clean your local user data, which might be corrupted. Press Windows R, type %local app data % and hit Enter. Navigate to the Microsoft folder, then find the folder named Edge. Right-click the user data folder and rename it to User Data Backup. Now try launching Edge again. It will act like a brand new installation. If it works, you can slowly sync your data back. Lastly, make sure Windows isn't the bottleneck. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for updates. An outdated operating system can often cause modern browsers to crash on launch. If you have followed these steps, Edge should be stable again. Give it a shot and get back to your browsing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.